see. I've had a cold from when standing out for 7 hours to see Black Veil Brides. No regrets at all. This video is going to be about the one and only Black Veil Brides. Sorry, that was Zoe. Yeah, shout out to Zoe and Laura, by the way. They've been cheering me up while I've been like, nah. So, yeah, I'm going to talk about Black Veil Brides in this because I went to see Black Veil Brides. I'm going to put some pictures I took up. I'm not giving the pictures out. I've only given the pictures out to Andy's dad and Jinx because I didn't watermark them at that point. So they're staying for me at the moment. I've watermarked them now actually, but yeah. Anyway, it was the 4th of February. I woke up at 7:30, got in town for 11 and was at Manchester Academy for 12. Waited there for 7 hours. Met some really nice people, so if you went to the Manchester one, you people at the front were very nice. Wish I knew you in personally, to be honest, because you're really nice people. Got inside for the Kerrang Tour 2013. Yeah, so basically we were at the front and getting squashed against this barrier. Next day my ribs were hurting because we couldn't breathe. But it was worth it, totally worth it. Black Veil Brides came on. We were all shouting Black Veil Brides, Black Veil Brides, and they came on. Fucking rocked it. My first rock concert this was, and oh my god, I will be going again because they were fucking awesome. And words could not describe. Honest to God. But Andy, if you ever watch this, thank you for standing in front of us all, teasing us. We were all stood there, couldn't reach her, could not reach her, and yeah, and then Ashley licking his lips as well, playing his bass in a sexual manner, and Jinx, all cute and cuddly. I had Jinx's eye makeup on, I'll post a picture. And hello. And yeah, I got my pictures were more of Andy and Jinx because they were coming nearer to me, and Jake kept moving, so all my pictures of Jake are like, hey, playing my guitar. And Ashley kept moving as well. I got a few of Ashley. I didn't get many of CC. Fucking gutted.
To be the one who kept you from the dark, but now I know my wounds are sewn because of who you are. I will take this burden on and become the holy one. But remember,
I found Black Veil Brides in 2008 after I hit a dark point in my life. It sounds stupid, but I typed in, I was looking through like Lost Prophets music and Paramore, and I seen other bands. I can't remember their names because it's 2008, it's not 2013. I was clicking on them and I seen this emo band and they were called Black Veil Brides, so I clicked on them, and I'd seen Andy like when he'd done his vlogs, and I'd fancied Andy when I was about, I don't know how old I was, but it was like he must have been 16, I must have been like 14, 13, and I fancied the pants off that man. So when I realised he was in it, which wasn't till like a few weeks or a month later, I started listening to them properly, and yeah, they took me out of that dark stage of my life because of the lyrics and the music, and I've stuck with them since. And I used to be a massive McFly fan, and I'd been a McFly fan for 10 years, and Black Veil Brides took over McFly, because to be honest, they've took me out so many dark points in my life. They've made me realise who I am, and yeah, so that's my story on Black Veil Brides. When I finally saw them, I know it seems long from 2008 to 2013, but because of the people I was with as friends then, I didn't feel like I could be myself. So finally saw them this year. Best time of my life, best day of my life, best day of my life.
But remember, I am human, and I'm bound to sing this song. So hear my voice, remind you not to bleed.
I've made loads of new friends in the BVB army. I now admin a page, BVB Welcome to the Army. If any of you guys are watching this, because I'm going to post this onto that page, I love you all. I'm sorry about the hacker or this secret admin we've had at the moment. I don't know who it is. It's not me. I promise it's not me. I know I post from my phone, but it's not me. I'm happy. I'm happy bunny. Yeah, but the people in the BVB army, they feel like family to me. You can instantly hit it off with a band member of one of them, and you can talk to each other and just say a quote and they'll get what you mean. So like, I'm gonna try this because I've been practicing it with Zoe and Laura. My name is Lightning Thunderstein, and sometimes I like to rip my shirt off. Yeah. See what I mean? I can't do it. I'm trying because I'm trying. Zoe's trying to teach me. Zoe and Laura are two people I've become close with through the Black Veil Brides army. And we can also say stuff like seagulls. Seagulls. And this, paper diet. If I had paper, I have paper. If I do this, they get what it means. Because, look, they just do. This is Andy's paper diet. And yeah. I know I fucking look weird eating paper, but Black Veil Brides army get it. I don't know what else to say other than Wretched and Divine is fucking amazing. I'm thinking of covering a song soon, and paper. And I don't know which song to cover, so if any guys or girls know which, if you look at my other covers and then tell me what to cover, I'll be thankful. I think I'm going to stop eating paper now, because people are going to think I'm weird if they aren't Black Veil Brides. Army members. Fucking hell, how do they eat this stuff? Right, anyway. I wonder why I don't have a Valentine. Seriously, oh. I can't have a Black Veil Brides. I know that because Andy's taken. No hate, by the way, to Andy and Juliet. And I love Juliet to pieces. But yeah, I wish. Yeah, but anyway, I feel like singing a lyric for you, but I don't know what lyric. Just to fill some of the video in. But I like this one. I like this lyric, so shall I sing it? We're not alone. We'll brave this storm. See? The lyrics have meanings. So I don't know what else to say about them. I'll do another one. But damn it, Shrek! No, I don't know. I can't think of any others. I don't know what else to say about them. They're just For me, they've saved my life a number of times, and I know they've saved a lot of yours a number of times too. So, yeah, I don't know what else to say about them at the moment. I'm really sorry. I wanted to do this dedication video, but I haven't planned it out. I could tell you though, I was on the treadmill yesterday, and Legacy came on in my ear. I nearly fell flat on my face imagining Andy's blue eyes. Yeah, I don't know. Oh! Totally on Black Veil Bride related. Oh. I've lost my stone now. Oh, I've lost the stone. I've lost the stone. I've lost the stone. I don't look like I have, but I have. It's a big achievement for me. Please don't take it away from me. I know this is... I get why Andy likes this. It's fucking mint, eating paper. Yeah. I don't think any of you are going to like this video, but I may as well say it anyway. Like, subscribe, comment. Zoe and Laura, I fucking love you. PC Bearsack here. PC Purdy, if you're watching this. And PC Ferguson, I love you. I'm also writing a Black Veil Brides fanfic, so if you get to check it out, if I post it anywhere like on my page, on BVB Welcome to the Army, please check it out.
So hear my voice, remind you not to bleed. I am here, Savior will be there when you are feeling